instructions. The next topic is computer instructions. Previously we have seen the definition of the instruction. Instruction is a command or which command instruct to the computer or processor to perform specific task. Instruction is a binary code or command which instruct to the computer or processor to perform specific task or operation. The basic computer has three 16-bit instruction code formats are there. Very important. These three 16-bit instruction code formats, because every instruction has some unique format is there. That means we will see in the next slide. Opcode contains 3 bits and the meaning of the remaining 13 bits depends on the operation code encountered. We will see in the next slides in diagrammatically. So these are the 3 registers. That means computer instruction formats. So here first one is the memory reference instruction. For zooming, first one is the memory reference instruction. Here total instruction length is 0 to 15. That is indicates total 16-bit length. All 3 instruction length is 16 bits. 0 to 15 and 0 to 15. This is the register reference and input output instruction. IO reference, register reference and memory reference instruction. Here the differences of this one opcode. Here all these 3 instruction 12 to 14 bits. Here also 12 to 14 and 12 to 14. In this case address field. This is the memory reference. Memory reference means always for reference purpose. Every time we need some data, the data is stored inside the location. That location has some address. That address which represents in the address field. Right? Opcode is it is a 3-bit code, 12 to 14 bit, but the difference is nothing but opcode. It starts from 000 to 6. 0 to 6, that means 110. That means opcode 000, sometimes 001, 010, 011 up to 110. That means 0 to 6 only. The remaining 7th bit is default values of the register reference and input IO reference instruction. That means common values, so that it is fixed 1117, 1117, 12 to 14 bits. Here also 12 to 14 bits. This is a 7. That means input to D7 for register reference, D7 for IO reference. Here only memory reference D0 to D0 means here 000, D6 means 110. That means here memory reference that address is 2 different ways. That means direct address, indirect address. Sometimes we are going to observing direct address field, or sometimes we are going to observing indirect address. So that address, direct address is a differentiate purpose. We are receiving that I field. If I equal to 0, that indicates direct address. If I field equal to 1, that indicates indirect address. I equal to 1, indirect. I is equal to 0, direct address. So this is the representation of the computer instruction formats. So same representation of this one, input to instruction. Same representation in sentence format. Next, coming to this one. Here basic computer instruction, same as it is 3 classifications: memory reference instruction, register reference instruction and input output instruction. Coming to this memory reference instructions, total 0 to 6, D0 to D7. If that means I is equal to 0, right? I is equal to 1. The memory reference, that means I is equal to 1 in the sense indirect representation, I is equal to 0 in direct representation, where XXX indicates that means address part. So don't worry about this XXX and here also. So here the mainly concentrated on the instruction and description only in this case, because this information is needed for the next diagram operations. First of all, if it is a 0, 0, 0, that means D0 and operation that means end operation is performed to the end operation means memory location data and also accumulator data. After generation of the result, again it will store into the accumulator. So I will explain the clear operations, end operation in the next slides, don't worry. But here in this case, ADD instruction. ADD in the means it needs 2 bytes of information for the execution. So one data word, then data word from the memory location, another data word from the accumulator. After addition, the result is stored inside the again accumulator. Load accumulator. Load accumulator, simply it is called load in the sense the data is transferred from memory location to destination register. Here every case an accumulator is the processor register, so that always it will has some highest accessing speed, so that automatically it comes into the picture, it will holds the data, so that the data is transferred from memory to accumulator. In this case, store accumulator. Store accumulator means the destination is accumulator. Load accumulator, store accumulator, sorry, here in this case the different opposite operation. Load memory to accumulator, in this case store content of accumulator into the memory. Accumulator, that means your source is memory to destination is AC, first case. Second case, AC is the source and memory is the destination. Load in the sense memory to register, store in the sense register to memory. This is the branch unconditionally, BUN, the mnemonic symbolical representation, capital letters BUN. BUN means branch unconditionally, without checking any condition. If address is there, that label address, with the help of that label address, automatically the program cursor goes to that location and it will start the execution from that location only. So I will explain the branching in the continuation slides, and this is the branch and save return address. This is very, very important, and the concept is there, branch and save return address. And this is the increment and skip if 0. Increment, skip if 0. These are the memory reference instructions. So coming to this one, register reference and input output reference, compared to these instructions a little bit easy. See here, CLA, and that means CLA means clear carry. CLE, clear E. E means in this case sometimes automatically which represents if after performing any addition operation some carry is generated, where the carry bit is stored. That means here the only the solution is here, the concept in some processor always which represents in C. Carry means C, which indicates C, but in this case the clear indicates it E. E indicates same the meaning of the carry. So if any carry is generated, that single carry bit will store into the E. Next, CMA, complement accumulator. CMA, complement E. Complement E bit, that carry bit is complemented. Circular right, circular right or circulate right, accumulator and E bit, and circulate left, accumulator and E bit. Increment accumulator, INC, and skip next instruction if accumulator is positive. Skip, S means skip accumulator if accumulator is positive. Skip if accumulator is negative. Skip accumulator is 0. Skip if E bit is 0. E bit is 0. So this is the halting the computer. Automatically whatever the signals is generated from the control unit, automatically it will stops the complete operation. The processor goes to halt state. So coming to this input output instructions, input INP, input character to AC, input character to AC, output character from AC. Character, we are reading the character, every character has some unique binary values. So total 8-bit length of the character size is 8-bit length. SKI, that means skip on input flag. SKO, skip on input flag. ION, interrupt on. IOF, interrupt off. These are the memory reference, register reference, and input output instructions. Instruction set completeness, sufficient set of instruction for computing any function known to be a computable. 3 categories of instructions: arithmetic, logical, shift instructions, instruction for moving information and from memory and processor registers, program control instruction together which instruction that check status conditions, input and output instruction. That means there are the total these four types of instructions all are there. So all the instruction is categorized into these four categories. Next one, here the arithmetic logical shifting instruction provide computational capabilities for the processing data. Okay, no need of all these things. Next instruction set of basic computer. So up to this one, these are the only representation of the computer instructions and individual instruction. These are very, very important. Memory reference, register reference, output, input, output instructions. Now coming to the next topic,